It's Leanne. We just stopped at the Nanatara Roadhouse. We left Exmouth this morning, heading for Karratha. So we stopped in here to get a coffee and stretch our legs. It's a big run today. As you can see, there's a huge dirt car park here on the side of the highway. Plenty of people stopping. They sell grog, coffee, snacks. I think they've got accommodation, campsites and air-conditioned rooms. It's pretty neat. We're in the middle of bugger all, but
these huge trucks, usually with 3 or 4 trailers, are well known in the outback roads. They're called road trains here. This is our planned route for the day. We're going out to the outback and it took a lot longer than the 4 hours planned. We were surprised by the amount of spinifex and also the greenery in the area, and the wonderful colours contrast the red soils and the rocks. Sorry about the UHF aerial in the way all the time. It has to be there because out in this area there is no mobile service and this is our only safety communication device that we have.
well, we made it to Python Pool. There's a bit of a crowd here, all having a swim. I'm not going in because I think it's freezing, but it's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful here. How good is it?
These colours are straight out of the camera. We've not boosted them or tweaked them in any way. They're quite amazing, really.
It's boat loading madness here, about 7 o'clock, and the boat ramp's going off, and Rob and Kim are loading the boat, and we're getting ready to push off and go and have fun on the high seas.
Fishing platform, maybe a box of mermaid with you. Who wants a fucking bite? Dang, that's good. Hang on. I don't have a problem.
She's quite wandering that, but anyway.
Yeah. Bit smarter this time.
I'm hanging on for a reason because a bloody big shark just came up. We've got whales crossing the back from left to right, and we're somewhere off the Burrup Peninsula. What are we on? What's this place?
Madeline Shoals.
Madeline?
Madeline Shoals.
Madeline Shoals.
Run like a shark.
Robert's preparing our lunch today. He's sorting out the mackerel that he's just caught for our wraps today.
We're parked at, what bay is it?
This is Whalen.
This is Whalers.
Bay Malice Island.
And we got green shit, we got red shit, we got special sauce.
Mackie wraps.
Mackie wraps.
So listen, you're getting to the point of dropping the rod.
Oh.
Check out the expert tackle tying, using 2 hands and 2 toes.
So after a mad day of chasing fish, whales, sharks, wrecks, this is our camp for the night. So Rob's just pulling us up.
Unloading all the swags, the tables and the barbecue was wet work. Thank you, Kim and Bert.
Yeah, I'm good, babe. Oh, beer's a bit hot and flat. You can get me another one.
Well, we've made it to the island stop for the night and we got our swag set up. Rob and Kim have been amazing. There's a beautiful beach, there's a couple other people on it. It's just a superb bay. Sun going down. Boy, we've had some fun today. Sharks, whales, dolphins, sea snake, turtles. Look at this place. Lunacy. Lunacy. Sort of areas to me, they're like, this is living. To me, this is what Lee and I used to do in Saudi. Good morning. That's our view. Well, that's my view. Out at my swag. It was the first night in the swag. A little bit claustrophobic, but that's alright. Right, so this is morning 2 of our exploration of the Burrup. We've just come in between the islands, the island there and the island there, and it's just like pure glass off, but you've got these beautiful colours that you see up in the Pilbara. There's the spinifex and there's the red rock, you know, the iron ore type stuff. Absolutely glassy in here, so we'll see what we find. We've already seen dolphins this morning and some turtles. We're hoping some sharks turn up because they were coming off the bottom to see us yesterday, and they were big. And it's like, what are you doing? Come to say good day, it's mad. Pink silver. Got colour. What? Let it go. He's dropped it. On hooks. 2 casts, 2 queenfish. We're going up between a couple of islands, and there's a surf break at the end. I don't know if it's working today, but we're just creeping along in 2 meters of water, and it's absolutely glorious. We'll see what we see.
The beautiful stepped reflection of the full moon in the low tide water is the stairway. Well, that's another huge adventure for us both. We headed back to the campground to pack up and make tracks for Karratha National Park next. It's about a 5-hour drive up the road tomorrow. Until next time, take care. Please subscribe, like and share our videos.